Almost 3 months after rains from Tropical Storm Zeta damaged most of the island's roads, some members of parliament still have not started to use monies allocated to repair roads in their constituencies. Now, the matter was raised yesterday as the National Works Agency, NWA, faced Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, PAAC. The NWA also responded to challenges highlighted on the Savage Pen Road in a recent TVJ news report. The mid-October rains last year ripped through roadways in 11 of the island's 14 parishes. On Thursday, NWA CEO E.G. Hunter explained to Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, PAAC, that in light of the devastation, each of the 63 constituencies was given at least $7 million for road patching. However, despite the road conditions, some MPs are yet to put the allocation to use.
Only 22% of the total have utilized the patching provision, and another 27 of the 27 constituencies have started but not completed, and 12 constituencies have not yet started any work under the patching program.
PAAC Chairman Michael Phillips joined Mr. Hunter in expressing surprise at the tardiness of his fellow MPs, pointing out that he too has had to tolerate almost impassable roadways while commuting.
The traveling public should not suffer for their tardiness of not implementing. And we are bringing you here in front of the PAAC because of not getting adequate money for patching. And members of parliament have it and have not yet executed. So that in itself is not encouraging, neither for us here at the committee or even for the general public.
In addition to those roads, Mr. Hunter was also asked for an update on major breakaways, such as the Gardentown Road and the alternative route. Chairman Phillips raised the concern after TVJ News traveled the Savage Pen route and highlighted the dangers and challenges commuters were facing.
The Savage Pen undertaking has been really savage to our projections and our efforts.
What safety precautions, seeing that it is not a road that every vehicle can use, meaning that Savage Pen Road, and seeing the steepness of it, are you putting in?
So the signs will be put in, and we will be reinforcing the corridor with a number of retaining walls, just to improve the safety.
Repairs to the Gardentown breakaway will not be completed for another 8 months. The Savage Pen alternative route should be completed by the end of January. Mr. Hunter reiterated that while the retaining walls and signage on Savage Pen Road will help, the onus is on motorists to exercise caution while using the roadway.
That it is not a corridor for drag racing and careless driving. Even it will be paved, but it still will pose challenge, and we invite whomever is going to use the corridor to do so with the greatest degree of caution.